Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the most epic road moments caught on driver's camera. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy road rage in which a driver blocked the bike lane, and when the biker confronted him, this guy went completely nuts. Check it out.
Yeah, that's what you did the first time. Get the fuck out of this lane, douchebag. Let's call the police right now. Do what you need to, the police will be here. You see the camera? I know you don't care, that's why the police are coming for you, sir. Hey, you were blocking the lane. I'm sorry I didn't get hit by a car to avoid your punk ass little. I'm right here.
911 emergency.
You can hold it if you want so you can see the right glare. It's coming up after this light turns green. It's not far after that, but it's hard to slide exactly where. Oh, okay, yeah, it's moving. Yeah, he gave me 12 inches between me and the cars. So here we go. Like, I'm not even paying attention. All of a sudden you'll hear screeching before you see him. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna ask you something.
Yes.
All right. Like I said, at the very least, we'll go ahead and document this for you. But it's up to you how far you want to push the envelope. In my opinion, it just doesn't look very good for either of you. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, if you want to go ahead and press charges, that is your right. If not, you can sign a waiver of prosecution. We'll go ahead and document this for you.
Hey,
and
if you just got to call and say, hey, we saw a video of you jump out of your car with a hammer at somebody, you just stop that shit. Okay, if you do nothing, hey, you can't do that.
All right, so
hopefully
you
save
want
somebody
to go
else
ahead
later.
and pursue charges, or you want to go ahead and just sign a waiver of prosecution at this
I'll
time?
find a waiver. Just if you give him a warning call, I'm happy with that.
Okay.
Everyone was patiently waiting at a red light, but one driver decided to risk it all and he blew the red and almost caused a heavy wreck on the road. The camera was simply minding his own business, and he definitely didn't expect a crazy driver to cut over in his lane like that. Pay close attention at this crazy van driver. He was overtaking a group of vehicles and he almost collided with a car from the oncoming lane head on. Semi-truck drivers and bus drivers are supposed to be professionals, and other drivers in traffic look up to them because they dedicate their whole lives driving and sitting behind the wheel. But this bus driver here was not paying attention, and because of that, he rear-ended the driver. Camera caught a crazy footage of a teenager who stole a car, and he was driving erratically all over the road, cutting from lane to lane and putting others in great danger. Crazy Karen nearly hit the biker on purpose, and if he didn't move to the left, she would have definitely got him. And when the biker pulled up to her to talk about it, she revved her engine.
Bă, tu ești normală la cap. Stai că te iau la poliție. Stai. Stai că te iau la poliție, te măta de proastă.
You drunk? What are you doing?
Servicing and maintenance included. Visit box.co.uk to land.
It's amazing what you can do in 5 minutes.
What the fuck? Oh, look, he almost made a wrong.
These two elderly gentlemen definitely saw a parked bike as they got into their pickup truck, and when they started reversing, they hit the bike. Check this one out and make sure to write me your opinion about this careless driving. Driver in front of the camera was too busy paying attention at his phone instead of the road ahead, and that came with a heavy consequence.
Yeah.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something as well. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would mean a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.